Hi, I'm Peter Harmon, and today I'm going to make you a mango margarita with a twist. Here's what we're going to do. Let's start with 2 cups of ice in the blender. To that, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of tequila. I use this tequila because I like the taste. Next, for the sneaky part, we're going to add a little bit of Myers' Dark Rum. All right, then we got 1.5 ounces of sweet and sour mix. Now, I make my own sweet and sour mix. Sweet and sour mix is 1 part lemon juice, 1 part lime juice, and 1 part simple syrup. My simple syrup is 2 parts sugar, 1 part water. Bring it to a boil, turn it off. All right, now, back to this. This is 2 ounces of pureed mango. Buy a can of mango, puree it. If you're lucky enough to find fresh ones, do that. All right, now, we're going to puree. It's really important to puree the drink enough so there's no ice chunks. Ice chunks are bad. Let's make a glass look really cool. First, what we want to do is start with fresh lime and just go around the outside edge. Okay, what I have on this plate right here is Tang with sugar. That's right, the drink mix, Tang. You know, it gives it a really cool color and it has a good flavor. Sometimes when you try to buy those sexy little colored sugars, they don't taste very good. Try Tang and sugar. All right, now we want to garnish it with a pineapple wedge. And let's see what we got. Looks good. Check this baby out. This is a mango margarita called a Mango-Rita, and it's made with gold tequila and a little bit of Myers' Dark Rum. Don't forget that extra S on the end of Myers'. I'm Peter Harmon, the food guru. Happy cocktails.